Hello sir, this is our vital model. It is vibrating fork type level switch suitable for powder application. This is cast aluminum housing and this mounting is threaded mounting, screwed. We can provide flange mounting also of every standard. Okay, now this is the tines fully SS316. This is fully SS316 tines. These tines vibrate at certain frequency. As material comes in the contact of these tines, the frequency gets damped and it will give a relay output. Okay. Now we are opening this cap. You can see this evolution unit. All the connections are made to these POTs. There are total 9 number of POTs, and the dip switches are also provided. This 1 number and 2 number is neutral and line and neutral for 90 to 260 volt AC. And if you are providing DC supply, this is you have to connect to this 1 and 2 terminal. They are positive and negative. It is written here. Positive and negative. Now I will explain you about the relay connection. This is a DP-DT model. The 4, 5, 6 terminals are NC, common and NO. In normal condition, when forks are vibrating, the common and NO are in continuity. Now, as material touches the tines, red LED will glow and it is a alarm condition. In alarm condition, NC and common are in continuity.
Electrical specification to earthing.
And over third terminal you can give earthing also. Okay.
Electrical earthing.
It is better to provide earthing. Now as it is a DP-DT model, the next 7, 8, 9 are same because there are 2 relays. Now I will explain you about a special feature.
Deep switches.
This deep switches, you can see there are 4 kinds of deep switches, and a feature called fail safe. Fail safe means if any failure occurs, like for example your power supply fails, for any reason it fails, you can just make it on. And this failsafe feature, if any kind of power failures occur in your supply, this failsafe feature give alarm. Due to this alarm, you can understand about that there is any kind of problem in your power supply. Okay. Now this is a sensitivity. You can adjust the vibration of the fork according to your density of the material. Now you can see uncovered and covered delay are there. Okay, some people wants some time delay between their when material. You can see uncover and cover delays are there. Some people wants a time delay in when material cover the fork or uncover the fork. You can set this time delay according to your need. We can show it in the video.
20 seconds तक दे सकते हैं.
You can give about up to 20 seconds time delay in this model.
Both the conditions.
In both the condition, both for uncover and cover delay. Now we are showing how to connect this vital model to the tank. First, please note the point. Your glands, these are PG glands. We can provide SC gland also. This gland must be downwards, not upwards.
Okay. This
Okay.
is the installation procedure.
This is the installation procedure.
And the tines gesture is
Now, tines must be like this. Many of our customers mount like this. This will damage the fork. So, please notice that you are mounting the tines like this.
not.
This is the normal condition in which forks are vibrating and LED is blinking is green. We have given 230 volt supply.
First
So
and second terminal.
our first and second terminal we have connected these wires. Okay. Now
We are testing.
we are in this soda ash application. You can see
तो इधर कर चालू और ऐसा होना चाहिए कि स्विचिंग भी बताए तो स्विचिंग आएगी. हाँ. सोडा ऐश बोलना पहले. दिस इज अ सोडा ऐश पाउडर.
now you can see the soda ash powder covered the fork and the condition is now in alarm condition. In that condition LED is glowing red.
थोड़ा हल्का सा ऐसे धीरे धीरे लेके जाओ.
Condition में क्या बताना है कि alarm. Now you can see the whole material covered the fork in which the condition is an alarm condition.
नॉर्मल कंडीशन कवर.
Now this is condition when the material goes down and it uncovered the fork. Now LED is glowing green. This is a normal condition. We will test this. Now we will test this switch in this surf detergent. Now we are pouring material.
और वो स्विचिंग हो रही है वहाँ पर. रो बता कि यहाँ पे स्विचिंग कवर्ड हुआ था.
Now the surf covered the fork and it will give a alarm condition.
मेरे को हल्का.
This is a alarm condition of switching. Now we have removed some material from the fork. Now again it is showing normal condition. LED is blinking green.
तू बोल दे.
This is detergent powder and it is running in normal condition. Now,
तो वो बार बार रिपीट करता जाएगा तो एक ही चीज. Okay. Now we can understand about the covered and uncovered deep switches. If you want a covered delay, means the vibration is damped of the fork and some delay is there. The deep switch's position is changed into close position and then press enter key. After pressing the enter key, the LED was blinking means LED is 5 times in blinking, means 5 seconds are setting in cover delay. The damping conditions, the alarm get the after the 5 seconds. This is a covered delay. Now you want to remove the delay. The covered deep switches are in closed position and then press enter key in one time. The one time LED are blinking. The cover delay is set to okay. If you want to set the uncovered delay, you can the uncovered deep switches are in closed position and press the enter button. The LEDs are blinking. LEDs are 5 times blinking, means 5 seconds are and the deep switches are as it is position after the setting the covered and uncovered delay. The uncovered delay is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. If you want the remove the uncovered delay, you can press the enter key in deep switches in closed position and press the enter key in one time LED blinking, and the deep switches position is as it is position in open condition. The remove the uncovered alarm.